What's up, Montgomery County? It's Chris
and Cody.
And today we came to check out Skippack Sweet Spot right in the heart of Skippack. And what did we come get?
We got ice cream and, well, do you want me to say what everybody got for ice cream?
Well, what kind of ice cream did you get?
I got vanilla with rainbow sprinkles.
It's a classic, right? You can't go wrong with rainbow sprinkles and vanilla ice cream. The wife, I don't even know what she got. It was green. What did Mom get?
She got mint chocolate chip.
Mint chocolate chip, and she actually shared it with Carson.
Oh yeah.
And I think Carson loved it from what I could get out of it. And then I got this amazing warm butter cake topped with vanilla ice cream and hot fudge. Now, I had the option of doing caramel or fudge or a combination of the two, but I'm a fudge guy, not a caramel guy. Cody also got, what else did you get?
I got a bag of gummy worms and white chocolate pretzels, but they're in there. Actually, let's take one out.
There's actually, you got regular chocolate as well as white chocolate. And then you can't go wrong with gummy worms. You want one now?
Sure, I'll try
one. I know I want one. How about, you want to share one or are you going to give me my own?
Let's share one.
Yeah, imagine that. I can't even have my own. Is this one good?
Yeah.
What color do you want? The orange or the white?
I'll have the white.
Okay. So.
I'm one of those people that like the white flavors.
He loves it. Anyway, so if you are in the Skippack area and you have a sweet tooth, especially after dinner on a warm night like tonight, come check out the Skippack Sweet Spot because I thought it was great.
I really liked it. Their thing was awesome. Like their ice cream and everything.
Ice cream was legit. So there you have it, Montgomery County, yet another phenomenal place right here in our very own backyard. And there's just so much to do in Skippack Village that you can actually spend the entire day here. So dessert is only a portion of what is offered here in the village. But again, today it's all about Skippack Sweet Spot. Skippack Sweet Spot, thank you for having us. Again, it was delicious, and we'll be back?
Yes, I hope.
I hope so too. We'll be back.
Bye.
Bye.